Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your DGme benefits account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your DGme benefits account from your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Opera browser, and on the search bar click over there and type in DGme login like this on the Google itself. And you can see when we scroll down, we can see the webapps.dolgen.net, which is the DGme itself. Click over there and let's let the page load. Now to log into your DGme benefits account, you'll be required to enter your login ID over here, and after that enter your initials and password over here, and then click on login to sign into your DGme benefits account. Or if you have not registered for DGme benefits account, you can see the register now option available over here. Click over there and you can register for DGme. Or if you have forgotten your password, you can see the forgot password option available over here. Click on forgot password to retrieve your password by going through a certain procedure. And if you don't know your EID, you can see the look it up here button is over here. When you click there, you'll be taken to a process where you can retrieve your EID number. And there guys, this is how you log into your DGme benefits account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.